Welcome to Design with Miyoshi. We're going to do some more half sections today. So I'm going to start right off with a new part. But first, I want to thank Northwest Technical Products for sponsoring this video. If you are part of an educational institution in Washington, Alaska, Oregon, Idaho, or Montana, contact Northwest Technical Products for all your SolidWorks and other technical needs. Thanks, Andrew, and all the crew at Northwest Technical Products. This is going to be 949B, for those of you following along. Sketch. We're going to do this on the front plane. And I'm just going to make a circle. Center it on the origin, and I'll put a dimension on this guy. And it is going to be, all right, now I'm going to go ahead and right from here, I'm going to extrude boss face. And actually, no, not yet. Let's go back to sketch. Let's make one more circle. And dimension that. Oops, that's not hot. Nope, that's not either. All right, that's good. And then we'll go to features. And then extrude boss face. I'm going to extrude that whole thing, whatever it's supposed to be. And then that's good. I think it's a little tall. That's way too tall. All right, extrude boss face. There we go. All right, now what we're going to do, we're going to make a new sketch. We're going to put that sketch on this top face. And we're just going to put a circle centered on this origin. And that's going to be smart dimension. Oops, too big again. Okay, now we're not going to extrude this all the way. This is going to be the first time we're going to do extrude cut. Well, maybe not the first time. We're going to do extrude cut. And we're just going to extrude cut that downward. Yeah, that's about right. And I did measure these, but decided I was going to change my thought process. And there we have it. So now I'm going to save this guy. And this is 9-49B. And there's the model. Now I'm going to make from the model. Oops, not that. Let's go. I like to do the triangle there, make drawing from part. ANSI landscape A. And again, I like to go to drawing, model view, click on the next. And this one I started in the front plane, so I'll click just the front plane. I don't need multiple views. Make sure it's got hidden lines. And looks like the scale is going to be not what I want, but I'll change scale later. Well, maybe I will be what I want. Put that view there. And I don't need another view, so I'll just hit the escape key. And there we have it. Now, again, I'll just make a section view. I want the right view to be my section, or if I want the left view, let's change this time. Let's make the left view the section. So let's move it over to the right a bit. And I'll make a section view. It's a half section, because we're going to only cut a quarter of the way. And I'll grab this left section there. I'll grab the center. Make sure you grab the center again. Remember, otherwise it's going to be off. And I'll pull it to the left. And there it is, my section AA. Annotation, model items, all views, entire model. Hit OK. And I don't know why it's doing it that way, but that's OK. Just hit the control key and grab this dimension, bring it over here. Oops, I don't know what that did. Control key, grab that, bring it over. Oh, it's right there. OK. Change that, leader, do diameter. Bring it out here. It's good. Hold the control key, grab this guy over there. Leader, diameter. Get rid of that. And grab the last one, control, drag it over here, click on it, leader, diameter, put that guy there too, then I get rid of that there. It's 0.13, I want to bring it up top. I can get rid of this guy. I can bring this guy up on top. I was going to tell you what that dimension was, that's okay. Pull this up there, pull this endpoint up there, grab this one, grab those two endpoints. That one is only goes to there, so leave it there. Oh, pull it down far, just a little farther. Pull this guy up to there, and there we have it. And I could probably bring this dimension, oops, not that dimension. I could probably bring this dimension outside. Come on, you. There we go. Bring that outside there. A little bit more readable, a little bit more beautiful. Maybe take it up just a touch. There we go. And there we have it. All my dimensions done. Right click sheet format, edit sheet format. Put my name in here. The date. And then, of course, the title. And I'll just put 949 since I don't have anything better. I have no idea what it is. Oops. Capital B. And then, of course, name of my design firm. There we have it. Notice the scale is 2:1. And if I was going to have my, if you want to, well, when I take away the dimensions, so you can't see them here, you can look on GitHub, grab the non-dimensioned drawing, print it out, and measure your own dimensions. That would be great. That way you get a little chance to measure using calipers and that kind of stuff. So there is another half section, 9-49B. So thanks for tuning in for half sections, and we'll see you next time on Design with Miyoshi. Oh, wait, we need to make sure we save this guy up. And we'll just save that drawing there. That's perfect. And then we'll also do a save as, and save it as a PDF as well. And there you have it, half section. Thanks for tuning in for Design with Miyoshi. We'll see you next time.